Let's see what we got, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Right now, this morning, I have one POI that I'm looking at, but it is not my exact criteria per se. Um, Let me share the screen real quick. So, ES and NQ. Here's what we got. I'm looking at this right here. This is a variation of the strategy that I trade. You got a swing high, then an immediate blow through. So, with that being said, we find our precision swing point. Our precision swing point is here. 718 is our precision swing point. Um, I'm looking for this low right here to get closed up under at some point this morning. Whether it does it now, whatever case may be, or this afternoon, or whenever. I'm just watching to see if it get closed up under. But the variation that I'm looking for is a close up under and a gap down. This is a 3-minute chart, so we're definitely going to be careful with that. YM, I cannot. Well, actually, I'll put YM up over here. Let me add a YM chart over here real quick. Hold on. YM. Candlesticks. Grid off. EMA. Moving averages. EMA. Say 3-minute. 3-minute. All right. So that same candle on the 3-minute is right here. This red candle on YM. This red candle right here. So all assets have this same candle marked out. Somebody has to come sweep it. And when I say sweep it, it has to close below. Somebody has to close below it. Wicks do not count. Wicks do not count for this strategy. Well, it does at certain points of time, but either way, the wicks have not swept this particular low at 718. So the wick, it can be swept by a wick. It has to just do some different variations in order for me to get into the trade. But as of right now, it has not swept that per my liking. And we're going to roll with that. I have nothing on the 3-minute. I have nothing on the 6-minute. I have nothing on the 9-minute. I do have something on the 3-hour that I'm watching, but it's a long way away. So I'm also watching something on the 6-hour as well. I got buys on the play on the 6-hour, but I don't have that happening until maybe tomorrow or Wednesday. So we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. So as of right now, we're gonna watch this right here. I'm gonna go to the 1-minute real quick and see if they want to possibly give us anything good this morning, brother. Matter of fact, I need to take off some of these lines. Let me remove some of these moving averages. Some homework. So Where is it at? Figure chart elements. Boom. Take that one off and that one off. All right. Here we go. All right, so we're getting movement right now. Well, it's market open right now, 9:29. And only thing I have right now currently is what I have mapped out on the 3 minute. So we're gonna sit back and wait. I think these highs might get taken. Matter of fact, they just got taken on nope. Let me check YM real quick. I'm not gonna pull YM up on until I need to, but I have YM open on another chart. Let's see how they want to play it this morning. Yo. Hello.
Yo, what's up?
All right. All right, so we just had a sweep on the highs of YM.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you, brother. I hear you. We just had a sweep on the highs of YM. Let me see something real quick on YM, bro. There we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Exactly what I'm talking about. 3 minute. All right, 3 minute just swept out the lows that I had marked out. PSP. ES has not swept it out. If we were to use this, we would need a gap down on a 3 minute in order for this trade to be valid to get in. Not quite ready to pull any triggers this morning, so we'll just wait it out and see exactly what's about to happen. But YM did just take off to the fucking top side. So, some previous 90-minute cycle just got swept. And London got swept on the 3 minute. So, with that being said, this would be a criteria for the old entry, which I may take if they show it to me. I don't know yet. We'll see how that goes. We're going to prepare for everything, though. And if that is the case, it's going to be short-lived because our pattern has set up on the 3 hour. Right now, YM is close to hitting the 3 hour pattern on the top side for sales. Since it's a 3 hour, the change in state of delivery to take sales on NQ would have to be at least on the 3 minute, bro. I don't think I'll be able to pull it off the 1 minute. I mean, I'll check it to see if there's a way to get in it, but as of right now, we're talking about a 3 hour fucking point of interest. I don't know if I can scale into a 1 minute change in state. So, yeah, let's see how it goes. YM is definitely almost there, though. All right. Right now, that's all we got. When I say YM is close, YM is real close to that 3 RPOI. Real close. I got us probably falling. Oh, yeah. ES is going down as well. So if YM is that 3 hour at the top, we'll see what it wants to do with us. See if it wants to give us anything good. One thing's for certain is we are under the 730 open. 730 open. Let's mark that out real quick. 7:30 open. We completely demolished it. I got us retesting the 7:30. Every time if we forget to fall through the 7:30 like that, we retest the 7:30 and continue falling. It doesn't necessarily mean it has to happen, but it may. It may. So let's see how it goes. All right. All right. What you got, bro?
Well, I didn't build any support on the 930.
On the what?
930?
9:30. What are you talking about? 9:30?
Yeah. The 930.
9:30.
Why do I not have the 730? That's crazy.
All right. See how these motherfuckers want to play this shit this morning. Yeah. I'm still looking at nobody on the damn fucking EMA. We do have a, is that a gap down? Let's see, close at 13.50, open 13.25. We do have a gap down right there, dude. We do have a gap down right there on NQ. Of course, YM has not swept that fucking low. All right, I tell you what, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fucking I'm gonna go to the 1 minute real quick. I want to see what I can see.
There's a 30-minute SMT at the bottom between YM and NQ.
Nah, we can't. We got to worry about the line, bro. I'm only thinking about this line, dude. Any SMT does not count, bro. We're not doing that. If you find something coming to the EMA, then yeah, that's cool. But everything else is not worth
No,
talking.
I shifted to the 30-minute through the assets.
Yeah,
So that way I can take a look at the EMA because I'm that catered into the SMT thing. Anyway.
Yeah. ES has failed to close below that low currently. This one right here. YM is nowhere near it, of course. I got us fucking falling, bro. Let's see how they fucking want to play it. Let's see how they want to play it.
Just swept the previous day, huh?
I'm looking at that. We got a 3-hour point of interest on YM, bro. At 9 a.m. the 9 a.m. candle on the 3-hour. The pattern set up on the pattern set up on ES on the 3-hour, bro. Look at ES on the 3-hour. I'm only trading the pattern, bro. ES 3-hour. And then you find the PSP. I know it's plain as day. The sequence is right there. So
Is that green candle that you just drew the 9
no. I mean, it's right there. It's the 9 o'clock candle, bro. 9 o'clock candle specific is the PSP.
I just shifted over to YouTube to your screen.
Yeah, my line was off. I just drug it a little bit. It's the 9 o'clock candle. It's the 9 o'clock candle. 9 o'clock p.m. candle is the PSP. YM is close as fuck to it. So I got us falling. If not, they hit that motherfucker, bro. But not before NQ comes back up and testing.
What price level is that?
NQ should be testing the 7:30 open. So we're gonna wait for that. This is gonna be awesome. This is gonna be a good trade. If it comes back test the 7:30 open, I'll take sales from the 7:30 open. But as of right now, The actual sequence of what we're looking for has not presented itself yet. So I'm gonna go back down to the 1 minute,
All right,
and I'm gonna
so
keep up.
I've got a question for you.
What you got, bro?
So 3 hour
Uh-huh.
POI.
POI. Throughout POI is the 9 p.m. candle. 9 p.m. candle, all assets is the PSP.
Right?
Yep.
So, all right, what's the price level on? You know,
And if they fall, they fall. I'm a shit. It's nothing I'm really concerned about. I really could care less, honestly, bro. I'm sticking to this strategy all week long, and if it don't present itself, then I ain't fucking trading. So I mean, it is what it is. Unless something prevails that I've seen work, and yet and still, I'm not gonna increase no odds on it, but uh, it'll be traded within reason if I see something. So anyway, we're gonna wait this out, and we're gonna find this entry while everybody else rushing into the market. We're gonna goddamn take this one bullet. If you were given one bullet every day to strike with, you wouldn't be taking as many shots as you taking. Everybody's trying to fucking get into this fucking market. That ain't what this is supposed to be doing, bro. If you get one bullet every day and you're gonna take one shot, you better make sure it's a kill. Yeah, we all want to eat, but shit, I ain't just shooting at no rabbit. I want the lions. I want the bears. I want some meat that's gonna fucking last me for a while. Shit, show me a fucking goddamn elephant. I'll shoot an elephant and eat good for a couple of weeks. That's what I'm looking for, bro. So, but if they come back and test that 730, I may take these sales, bro. I ain't gonna say bullshit. I done seen that shit goddamn fucking 300 times. So they come back and test that 730. It's not gonna just blow through the 730 first and foremost. It's gonna create a support. If it does blow through, it's got to create a damn fucking resistance first and then blow through. It's not gonna just blow back through. All right. So let's wait it out. And we're now coming into the macro. I can't hear you, bro. Say what?
Oh no, I'm trying to get this POI pointed out of all assets.
Oh, on the 3 hour?
Shit. Yeah.
Oh. Pretty stay lows. For sure, for sure. Yeah. We also have a 6 hour POI that got hit too, bro. Remember that 6 hour one I was telling you about maybe like 2 weeks ago, maybe about a week and a half, 2 ago? I don't know if you remember or not, but
Yeah.
but YM hit it. And since YM hit it, there needs to be an SMT on that same low that YM just hit. So, matter of fact, let me look at that real quick because NQ is fucking falling. And if NQ is falling, it's targeting that same one for the SMT. So, let's go to the 6 hour real quick and take a real gander at this motherfucker. Oh yeah. Yeah, they might be going straight down, but I would suspect that they test the 730 before they continue. Now they don't have to, but I would hope that they retest the 730 in order to continue falling. But either way, until we get something on the line, I can't do anything or any line, whether it's the 3-hour POI showing something. I don't have them doing anything with that 3-hour POI right this very. It might happen this afternoon, and it might be tomorrow, but I don't know. Either way, we're talking in these lines, so I ain't rushing shit, bro. Let's see how they want to play it. All right, let me go back to the let me go to daily on ES real quick and see what they got. Boom. So
we're marking out the top of the candles, right? On the 3 hour.
that's where the PSP is on the top, bro.
I was just making sure I had it on
The top of the body. Top of the body if we're taking sales. The bottom of the body if we're taking buys.
I just had a detailed moment, so I was heading to.
Oh yeah, they're about to send this back up. They're not about to let this keep falling like this. There's going to be a bounce somewhere. That's not their. That's what they're not going to do. I wouldn't think so. I could be wrong, but goddamn shit. We'll see. Oh yeah, that's why I ain't doing shit. It is what it is. That's exactly why I ain't fucking doing shit. But these motherfuckers could literally be in a fucking free fall, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Because based on the fucking shit, based on the 6 hour, shit, we should have some fucking 2 consecutive red candles coming in. Shit. So I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. All right, let's figure it out. Sit back. They give me a line. They give me a line. If they don't, shit, I'm going about my merry little way. I don't even know if I might not go to the gym today. I'm hurt. I'm fucking sore as fuck right now, so I ain't fucking. I might do some yard work. Yeah, I done did enough fucking working out for the past 2 days. My whole fucking body hurt. I'm fucking dead.
I had not, so I got
All right. What I will do is take a gander at my. I will gander at my 30-second. I will do that. There ain't definitely no more 15-second shit. Hell no. Remove that. 30. Why the fuck are you all the way back here, dude? Goddamn. 24th. There you go. Oh yeah, they're about to come back up right now, dude. Yeah. Based on 30-second, they about to come back up right now. They about to tap into a fair value gap and come back on up. 946. That is a fucking goddamn fucking. That is a prime number. So I got them tapping into this fair value gap right here, which is the 946.30 candle. This fair value gap right here. They should tap into and they should keep going back up at this point. I'm not trading that. I'm just pointing it out. That's not first spec that I'm fucking looking for. I'll mark it out just to show that it probably is. And if it falls through, it falls through. But it should go. It should go. And then again, you got 10 o'clock coming. So new hour in 12 minutes. Let's see if 50% of this motherfucker holds. Just to see if it holds. Just to see if it holds. I ain't putting no fib on top of the bottom. I don't need all that. All right, so I got low, high, high or low. If it blows through this high right here at 943, then it's going to continue up. Let's see what they want to do. Yeah, if it closes above this high right here, they're going to continue back up. Then the next target is a 730. The 730 open. Took a high, low, high, high. Yeah, they closed through this motherfucker. They going to the bottom side. Even if somebody took a buy, stop loss should have been right there. But we're gonna wait for our strategy. We're gonna wait for the complete strategy. That's why I don't take this shit no more. I ain't trading no breaker blocks. And that's what this is. That's what that is right there. That 945 candle on the 30-second. I'm not. Yeah, we're not doing that no more. I mean, that's still a valid trade. Don't get it wrong, but still a valid trade. Absolutely still valid. But that ain't the one we want. I'm talking about precision. I need precision, and they got to give it to me before I take anything. I'm about to rate their ass this week. I know the 1 minute is not close to our EMAs. That's why I'm still down here. Also, I'm looking at this high right here at 943 on the 30-second. I'm gonna get off the 30-second in a minute. I just want to fucking take a damn gander at it. Yep. What y'all gonna do? What y'all gonna do, bro? Yeah, it didn't close that box up, that's for sure. Let's see what y'all gonna do, motherfuckers. Y'all ain't closed it up. I'm looking. You gonna close it now? Or you gonna run them green candles up? Macro still running. I'll come off at 30-second in a minute. All right, I'm off. I'm going off. They below that fucking shit now. They probably gonna continue down. I mean, it's still valid until here is a stop loss, but I don't see that holding. It could, but I don't see that fucking shit holding. 952 would be a low though. So let's see. Let me go back to this 1 minute real quick. Oh yeah. I got nothing on the one. I do have the pattern on the 1 minute though. The pattern is showing up right now. But it's not on an EMA. So with that being said, that's if it closes below. But it is what it is. I'm not fucking with it. I'm going about my merry little way. Yeah, that's the pattern right there. That's the pattern right there. It's not on the EMA. And I have seen these motherfuckers hold as well. And I'm not denying the fact that this will hold. As long as we don't get a green candle just run straight up. That right there hold. So if we were to take that trade, which I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to take it because it's not on my EMA. I'm not going to fuck with it. I'm going to wait specifically for this EMA trade. The PSP would be where is it? Oh, the PSP is all out of whack anyway. You're talking about 945 would be the PSP. So look where the 945 PSP is in relationship to the 945 candle on ES, which is all the way down at the bottom. So that's invalidated right there. So um, yeah, yeah. Let's wait this out, man. We can wait for this EMA, bro. Ain't no freaking rush. I ain't gotta rush this. We know the strategy works. The best strategy ever. Period. It doesn't matter. We know this shit works, bro. We done traded this shit fucking goddamn 100 times, bro. And if you wait for it, you're gonna catch the fucking bottom of the move. That's just what it is. By the time motherfuckers catch on to this shit, bro, we'll be light years ahead of their ass, bro. Retired, traveling the world, real quick and hurry. I already know what the fuck's about to happen. You come into this EMA, we about to fucking goddamn catch y'all ass. Let's get it, homie. And if it ain't today, then it'll be tomorrow. All you need is one. Shit.
Yeah, I'm not this is on this how you guys put things in the flash.
Yeah. Oh, I'm just randomly speaking to myself through the YouTube. That's all, bro. That's all.
I had a pay attention to detail moment a while ago.
On what time frame?
I tried marking out at 30-minute POI. I think that's 3 hours.
Okay. Have you needed to figure it out, bro? We're waiting for this EMA. That's what I'm waiting for. This white line right here is my 7:30 open. Matter of fact, it's
The 3 hour POI.
9 p.m. Yeah.
I tried doing it on the 30-minute instead of 3 hours because I'm paying attention to detail.
Yeah, but is it going through your EMA on the 30-minute? Or I don't know if it matters or not.
That was the PSP on the 3 hour. That's the POI.
Oh, okay then. Okay, I got you.
Shit, I really don't know, to be honest, because all I have is like 17 months and I tried.
Well, you shouldn't have 17 lines on your chart. Not when we're only working off of one, which is a PSP. So that's on you, bro. That's the you thing. You're gonna have to figure that out on your own. I can't help you there. All right, so we're coming back into the EMA on the 1 minute closely. It's not there per se yet, but ES is almost there. I'm gonna take another gander down here at the 30-second to see how close it is. The 30-second is pretty close on ES. I'm gonna watch that though. If they give us the triple setup right there, I will take those. I will take those buys. So this right here, this line, this EMA right here, if they give us the setup from this point in time, we'll run it up. What? They got to give it to it. Mm-hmm. Bro, the market is overall bearish, bro. You know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers don't know that shit, then that's on them. They're bearish. But you got so much room in a candle, it doesn't really matter. You're gonna catch a trade, bro. You got plenty of time to make freaking money. It don't matter whether it be bearish or bullish, man. You can make money in the markets on the fucking buys and sells if you know what the fuck you're looking for.
It's cool to have just going ahead and having the POIs about what you look at it, wait, have to search back and find the on my chart already. Just like a little workspace. I toggle it on all the time.
Yeah, I get you. You say POIs. I'm only looking for one. So that's singular where I'm at. Triple pattern setup. Oh man, shit, bro, I am not looking at those, bro. It's cool if you want to just have a reference point. Sometimes, but shit, either way, all the trades that we taken have. Yeah, all the trades we take come on happen on the line, bro. That's on a 3 minute, 6 minute. It don't matter. I don't give a fuck what they swept. Yeah, I don't give a damn what they sweep, man. They can sweep goddamn last year's low for all I care, but shit, till they get back to this EMA, then shit ain't nothing.
Well, I mean, if I thought I like, well, yeah, it's just personal preference. You don't have to have it. You don't need it, and it probably hurts a little bit, but just personal preference.
Yeah, I ain't gonna say it hurts, but I mean, why the hell would I waste my energy on it, on looking for it? I mean, I'm not. I'm trying to keep my bandwidth and the energy where it's the most powerful at. I'm not going to disperse my energy. Your attention is the power. The magnifying glass is on the focal point, and that's where we're gonna burn this fucking fire up at. So if you keep spreading fires all over the place, taking time to keep walking and spreading fires and spreading fire and spreading fire, when you can create one big ass fire right where you are, and I mean it is what it is, bro. If you don't get what I'm trying to deliver, then you'll figure it out. You're gonna see what I'm talking about because I done did what you're trying to do. You thinking it's the more work, the more output you get.
Yeah, not only that, but like the more information you have, the better decision making skills you have. That was it. It's not really like the more work that I have. Well, I mean, I guess it would also be classified as that because you have to process things.
Absolutely, without a doubt. This is the only area of work that you can do less and make more. The object is to do less, and you're still going in the other way. Now you can go ahead and try that out, but I did the more thing because we've been taught that more work equals more money, more work equals more output. That's what we've been taught. This is the only industry where you can do less and make more. But if you don't understand that, then you're gonna always keep trying to do more. Oh, if I look at this, and then I have more of a chance. If I look at this, then I have more of a chance. No, you're diluting your chance when you do that. Man, you got people who take one trade per month, bro. You know what I'm saying? They are not looking at every which or weird thing. They're waiting until it comes to their POI to pull a trigger, and they're not looking at anything else. Oh, it's gonna be another couple of days. Yeah. But we're on the 1 minute, and then okay, there's a POI, there's a fair value gap. Oh, there's a high right here. There's a daily low. There's a shit. Them people ain't looking at that shit, bro. They got one POI. They know what their strategy works, and that's what they targeted. So that 30 seconds is coming into the EMA right now. I got that up on the charts. We have a swing high on that line currently. We have YM coming into our 3-hour POI right now. I ain't saying, man, they could possibly sell this bitch off today, bro. We got Fed news tomorrow. Forex Factory says we got no, not tomorrow. Oh, it's Friday. Friday got Fed news. We got CPI, core PCE on Wednesday at 7:30. So we don't have any news till Wednesday. So Wednesday and Friday is only news this week. All right. So we don't have any triple candle procedures on ES on the 32nd. They failed to give us the same candles right this very second anyway. Now, ain't nothing I can do about that, but watch it. So, but if they do blaze through that with a green candle right now, my antennas will be attentive to that candle if it does. I don't think they're going to do it, but I'm going to wait this out. We're coming into 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock is a sweep. We're going to need a sweep at 10 o'clock. So 10 o'clock will most likely sweep the previous session, which is the low right there currently to the left, which is the 953 low. So if we get a sweep of that previous session low, then I will probably be looking for buys. And I probably will use the other strategy with the intermediate term high and the confirmation close above and all that other shit. which I should have pulled off last week, but fucking got out of that motherfucker. Same shit. I know that motherfucker work. I will pull that here if they do a 90-minute fucking cycle, if they show it to me. So let's see how they want to play it. This is a good time. We're still in the macro. We have another 17 minutes per se in the macro. 10:17 is my cutoff time. And I'm only staying for 2 macros. So yeah, if we catch a trade and if they set this up right now, then that's it. I mean, I won't be staying for the next macro if they right now. Yeah, let's see it. Give it to us. We're looking for the sweep right here. So the 945 low. That's the sweep I'm looking for. I want NQ to sweep that. I want ES to fail. Let's see if they want to give it to us. And YM is at a 3-hour POI, and it's just generating liquidity right there. It hasn't even tapped into it yet. I'm looking at that very fucking closely, dude. Very closely. But if we get a change in a 3-minute change in the state of delivery at that POI based on that 3-hour, I'll take these fucking sales on NQ. So we'll see if they want to give that to us. But YM right now is not doing fucking shit. So all right. Let this right here ride. And watch the motherfucking show. Watch the motherfucking show. Have everything I need. I know exactly what I'm looking for. Thank you. Right now, we're looking for this goddamn EMA. What y'all gonna do, bro? Y'all gonna bullshit? All right, that's an important high right there. If they leave that, that's just in the middle of fucking no man's land on the 32nd. Let me glance at the 1 minute real quick, see what we got. That shit right there look ugly as fuck. Yeah, I can't see anything on the 1 minute. So, all right. Let's let it ride out. See if they want to give us something else real quick. They really playing this morning. They really playing. I need a bounce though, bro. I need a bounce. There we go. Go on, sweep that bitch one more time, dog. 30-second. Yeah, I think we got them sweeping next macro, bro. But they ain't give me no line. Can't do shit on the 30-second. No, something. Let me look at YM. I ain't even putting glance over there down in that lower time frame. 130. Nope, they're nowhere near it on the YM 30-second either. So that's cool. Boom. Let's stay right there where it is. Keep an eye on that. Yeah, this is gonna be a short morning right here, dude. So that's cool. Absolutely cool. What y'all got for me, bro? I know y'all got something for me. If not today, then tomorrow. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Yeah, they really want to go down, bro. We got another 7-8 minutes in the macro. Give me that cycle sweep, bro. Come on. I wouldn't be surprised these bitches throw a big ass green candle and then fucking drop this bitch. I mean, that's what I do if I was a market maker. Shit, on a Monday, and then fucking run it back up for the next rest of the week. Shit, hell yeah. Rape everybody else, goddamn fucking rape everybody on the fucking Monday morning. Go ahead and get their week started good. Pockets fat. Go have a good lunch. Shit. Mm-hmm. I don't know. Do what? What? Seeds.
Yeah.
Oh.
The apostrophe S.
Oh, Z's. Oh. Yeah, I gotta cook some rice and some fucking goddamn beans. I cook some rice and some beans and my fucking avocado mix. That's gonna do me. I gotta get some fucking carbs. I gotta get some carbs in here, buddy. So we can transport this water. Carbohydrate. We got a closure below, bro. We got a sweep on the 30-second. Absolutely, we got to see sweep on the 30-second. I see it. I do see it. Y'all can't hide it. There is a closure below at the 10-12 candle. And it's gapping up going through a swing high. Yeah, these bitches about to go up right now, bro. 10-13 was the low. Let's see. I mean, I'm not saying it's gonna go way up. It'll probably be short lived, but shit. Mm-hmm. So right now I'm looking at the 10-13, 10-13-30 fair value gap, which I would like for them to come back and tap into before they continue their ass up to the top side. But if they don't, then I'll be waiting for my EMA. But if they give me that tap into the fucking volume imbalance on the 10-13-30 candle on the 30-second, I'll take these fucking buys, bro. A short-lived buy. Matter of fact, I'll take it on the demo account, and I'm gonna still wait for my line. That's what I'm gonna do, just to see if we are correct. Because right now we have a intermediate term high that I'm using. Let's see if they want to make that bitch hold prior to the sweep liquidity. I can't see it on the 1 minute though. So let me just wait for this fucking line, dude. I ain't fucking doing nothing. Let's wait for this fucking line, bro. They go to immediate rebalance. 10-15. Yep. Like clockwork, brother. Like clockwork. You saw it, bro. It's okay. That would have been a good trail. Not worry about that. What I am looking at is that motherfucking damn 10:05 confirmation, closure above. Yeah, this bitch right here about to continue back up, bro. I'm gonna see if they can deal with something on the EMA. Other than that, ain't nothing, bro. I'm going about my motherfucking merry way. Fucking nothing. Nothing. Come on back down. Come on back down. Patiently waiting. Going back down to that goddamn gap. Let me draw that bitch on there. See if they want to tap this motherfucker. This one right here, 9-13, 9-13. I mean 10-13, 10-13, 30. This one right here. Let's see. Let's see if y'all want to hit this motherfucker. And bounce off of it. Bounce it out. Bounce. Come on. A little bit more. There you go. A little bit more. Going the wrong way. Down a little bit more, brother. 1018 PSP off one time, which is 1019. I still need to go back and go to the original, not PSP, I mean prime number. I'm sorry. The original prime numbers Will gave, those eights. I need to go back and get back with those just to see what's up with them. I need to do some homework on that shit. Um, let's see. Let's see. 30-second hasn't come back into the EMA. 1 minute hasn't come back into the EMA. We got that 6 hour goddamn fucking POI that happened, which ain't gonna fucking happen. There might be a SMT down there already, bro. Let me see. Is there an SMT down there already? I'm sure there is, dude.
There's a 30-minute SMT down there.
I'm talking about 6 hour, bro. 6 hour. This is based on the strategy with the candles. The high going through the 144 and the blow through. Everything is based on that right there, dude. Where I'm at. And we do have an SMT on that 6 hour low down there. Absolutely. Which means we would need to fucking gap down. So I would say we gotta wait for the next candle to fucking open at fucking 12 to see a gap down. I mean, don't get me wrong, 6 hour candle can move up and then move back down inside the wick and then move back up again. But goddamn, we are in the area primed to go back up from that 6 hour goddamn pattern. So it is what it is. Let's see how they want to play it. Ain't pulling any fucking triggers. Just want to see if we're correct on this fucking narrative. Boom. You got on the 30. Let's see this on the 3 minute. Over here. You're going to give me this fucking pattern before I do anything on this live. You're going to give me the fucking pattern. Give me the fucking pattern there. Give me the fucking pattern. Let's see. Other than that, we got one more macro and that's a wrap. I'm going for the day. Going for the day. This is where it's at, though. This right here. All right, we're coming back into the EMA on 30-second. See how they want to play it, bro. See how they want to play it. All right, so I got a high on there, but it's red if they close it, so that's really not what I'm looking for. I want it to be all the same color. And if it blows through on the third candle, I still will be interested in it, honestly. So let's see how it goes. Take a gander to 1 minute. 1 minute is still far off from it. Not on ES. It's coming in close on ES. And we do have an SMT on those lows, like you said, 30 minute. I see that, you know. So let's wait it out. Next macro, and that's it. That's a wrap for the day. So
Possibly be disarranging on a Monday, would it?
Do what's that?
So price wouldn't just range for the rest of the day above or below or even May, would it?
That shit will do what it wants to do, bro. I don't. It's not what it would do. I mean, I'm just waiting for the pattern there.
Facetious. I was just being facetious.
No. I got nothing on the 30 sec on volume. There we go. Come on back now, bro. Yeah, they might give it to us this second macro here, bro. A little slight move. That'll be good. I would love for them to tap this fucking goddamn box, though. Because that's where the pattern started at. Look what, see, well, you can't see it. You can't have it. You ain't got the 30-second, but I got the swing high. And then, yeah, I got 3 candles right here at the bottom. It's not all the same colors, but those 3 candles at the bottom right here at 10:13, you got the high, and then you got complete blow through the 3rd candle, leaving the fair value gap. That's why I got it marked out. So it should be tapping that shit, bro. I mean, based on what's that? No, I'm not gonna take anything off of it. If I do something off of it, it's gonna be a demo. I'm not taking, bro. I'm only taking the reds, all reds, all greens, bro. That's what I told myself I was gonna do, and that's what we doing this week. Whatever happens, it leaves. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Whatever it can be, but I'm only trading the pattern, bro. It's when I don't trade the pattern that I try some other shit that fucks me up. So we're sticking with the narrative. Either we want this shit to fucking pay us long term or we don't. We already got something that fucking works. We know it fucking works. Ain't no need to fucking look at anything else. Well, I'm not looking at no fair value gaps. I'm not looking at no other shit on the fucking chart. 3 candles work. It shows it's worked 100 times consecutively. Why would I trade anything else if I got something that works damn near fucking 100% of the time? If not 100% of the time. Shit.
Yeah, I've never seen one fail, if you want to be honest.
Yeah, this shit ain't fucking goddamn failing, bro. Motherfuckers wish they had this fucking shit, bro. Here's what it is, dude. So, but in order for goddamn to prove this shit work, I gotta get the data. I gotta get the TradeZilla fucking statistics on it and fucking chart that shit out so motherfuckers really know this shit work. Not that I give a fuck if they know it works or not. I'm just gonna trade a lot. This is for my fucking goddamn fucking pockets. I don't give a fuck about nobody else's pockets. If they catch on to it, they catch on to it. If they don't, then shit, they'll just be fucking. They'll go with whatever they find for their strategy. Shit, I don't give a fuck. We on the bottom of the fucking every move, bro. So. Bottom or top of every move. As long as we got those 3 candles in place. And even if it shows up fucking once or twice this week, which I'm not saying it will, it's usually more than that, but of course, but even if it shows up once, I'll trade it fucking once and go on about my fucking week. Because all you need is one. And I mean, if you hold it, if you trail out, then yeah, you probably gonna want a little bit more. But if you hold it, you in for a joyride. Macros in another 12 minutes per se, 14 minutes. So, but yeah, after that, we go on by that merry little way. I should go fucking do some yard work. It's a pretty fucking cool day out there today. Sun is nicely shining. It ain't too fucking hot.
You have no clue how that I just wanted to my yard. done got on the wheel and kick.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I got some shit. I got a good bit of shit I can fucking goddamn do. But here we go. Let's see what we're gonna do, bro. You're gonna give us, yeah, bro. Y'all, they gonna give us something today, bro. Man, this is not where it is. Look at the trajectory. It's coming back into the line. It went away from the line. It's got to come back into it, bro. Even if it doesn't go through it, it's got to come back to it. So, Lime is not doing shit.
Hey, it's a bull flag. That's all they build was.
I guess I don't know what a bull flag entails for. I don't know the criteria. I don't know the criteria for a bull flag, bro. I've never looked at them. Fucking bull flag. Fuck those motherfuckers are fucking stupid. I hate to say it, bro. They've been in the market all this time, and people looking at fucking bull flags when the market works off an algorithm. That's crazy as fuck. How the fuck you been in the market for 10, 12, 15 years and not know that there's an algorithm running the fucking market on repeat? Yeah, they're trying to give people the fucking bogus information to keep motherfuckers broke. They know that shit run off a fucking algorithm. They giving motherfuckers stupid ass strategies, and they trading a whole different strategy when nobody ain't fucking looking. These motherfuckers ain't slick, bro. They ain't slick at all, bro. You ain't getting this shit past me. Fuck. Yeah, you're right. They all slick as fuck, bro.
So guess what I'm gonna do? You can't beat them, join them.
That's for sure. Can't beat them fucking join them. Come on back into this EMA, man.
So
They're getting closer to it. Come on. Ride up on that bit, bro. Ride up on that motherfucker. Come on. There you go. I'll take that. You ain't got to come down and tap that fucking shit. I already know y'all fucking really bearish. So
I'll do as many setups as I can do in 2 minutes until I get our pattern right now.
they get this 3 candle pattern right now. Shit, it's fucking goddamn. I'm putting on fucking 2 contracts and goddamn fucking trailing one and letting the other one ride for the rest of the day. And I ain't moving.
I'm glad we had the same thought process. But I'm carrying micro.
Yeah, and you still on a consistency. Well, no, not on the challenge. You don't have consistency on the thing on the. I don't think there is. Is there a consistency around for the beginning?
You can pass on one trade.
Yeah. It don't kick in until you get full time. Yeah. Okay. All right. So, but yeah, hold that bit for the rest of the day. One trade, bro. Shit, fucking why not?
And to be honest, I think I'm going to trade the PA account.
Hey, that's on you. When that consistency rule hits you on the PA account, then you're gonna fucking goddamn do otherwise. You're not gonna be able to do it, bro. If you want money to trade like that and you want a whole trade like that, you're gonna have to go switch in, get the PA, get the money, and open up your personal account to hold these trades. I'm not gonna keep telling you you're gonna kill yourself trying to hold these trades on the PA account when they got a 50% consistency rule. You're not understanding what that means. So since you're not understanding what it means, you're gonna have to suffer the consequences of you doing what you're not supposed to do. That's on you. You run up an account, goddamn $3,000 on one trade. You're gonna have to take 20 more trades to get that bitch down to a 50% consistency rule. You're not understanding how that goes. So in order for you to understand your lesson, you're gonna have to go through it. That's just what it is, bro.
No, I'm talking about like not holding it all day type shit. I'm talking about just holding it over, like holding it longer than I have been holding it.
Either way, your numbers need to be consistent across the board. That's all I'm saying, bro. Yeah, hold it longer than you can, but either way, when you hold it, your number's still gonna have to be consistent. That can't be a fucking $5,000 day and then a $200 day, and then a $900 day, and then you'll figure it out. And if you don't, they're gonna keep making your ass trade, and you're gonna wonder why. And you're gonna be mad at them for some shit you should have did, and you're gonna point the blame at them because you should have did what you're supposed to do. That's what's gonna happen. You're not gonna be able to hold these trades for this strategy is a holding strategy. It is, but you got to have a target. It doesn't matter. You still have a 50% consistency rule, bro. That doesn't negate that you have that rule.
I'm not worried about the payout. Currently, I'm worried about keeping the account working. You know,
Oh, okay. How do you feel, bro? Here's what it is.
because I traded with a different mindset last time.
If you worry about just keeping the account working, you're gonna keep working your job. That's what I'm telling you. You ain't trying to get out of the job. You're just trying to keep the account working.
So eventually, it operates off the basis of eventually I
All right, 30 seconds, not giving anything. I'm on 1 minute right now. 1 minute is setting up on the EMA right now. Currently, we are coming into our next macro. Hopefully, this is where it is. We're back hit. We're almost back to our 730. If it gets to that 730, I probably will take a sale. Honestly, that's just what it is on NQ, regardless of what anybody else is doing. And we got it setting up on the 1 minute right now on ES. Let's see if they want to blow through right. I mean, it ain't all the same color, but this is one I'll take this if it blows through. On ES.
it's all the same color. Well, I mean, there's a
No, it's not the same color. No, it's not.
that's a doji.
Yeah, that is a doji. I'll take it on the demo account if it blows through. But it's about to close now, so it don't freaking matter. But regardless of what happened, if it come back to that 730 on NQ, if it shows a change of state up there at that point in time, I'm taking a sale. That is what it is. I already got the data on that, so. Let me check the 30-second one more time. 30-second gave nothing, bro. I'm gonna stay off this 30-second. They already blew through that. Right now we're worried about this 1 minute. So let me check the 3 minute real quick. I got nothing on the 3 on ES or NQ or YM. I'm looking at YM on another chart over here.
I don't think I've ever seen two dojis for a little
All right. Let's stay with the 1 minute. All right, so 1 minute is coming back into on NQ. Let's see if they want to deliver it. Yeah. What y'all want to do, bro? We got another 3 minutes coming into the Mac. Another 3 minutes coming into the Mac. All right. I got fucking nothing. Nothing.
That's no problem.
Here's what it is. Going about this merry little way. Get this day fucking cracking. This day fucking cracking, bro. Boom. They won't want to give it, and it's a wrap. But when they do, we'll be ready for it. Sticking to the fucking plan. The more you vote for yourself on sticking to your plan, the more what's coming to you is going to get to you quicker. If you keep scrambling, looking at everything, it's not going to know what to give you. I'm the kind of trader that trades one strategy. Who do you say you are? Are you the kind of trader that's trying to trade 15 strategies and then stick with that and roll with it? But if you're the kind that says you're a trader that says you trade one strategy, then you're gonna have to vote for that with your actions as well. If you say you're trading one strategy and you're trying to trade 15 strategies, your actions ain't lining up with what you tell the universe you want. So, shit. And I can't even fucking trade the fucking 730 back down. That's crazy as fuck. Leave this shit alone. I'm getting my ass on off this bitch. Come into this Mac, that's a wrap, bro. I ain't got fucking 3 consecutive candles. I'm gone. Fuck it. And then I can pat myself on the back for following every fucking rule. Period. Pat myself on the motherfucking back.
I want to review the 1034, 1035, and 1034.
Do what?
Something on it.
Yeah, I got you, pal. Do you think, pal?
We could have jacked it up and made it a range on the wire, on the red, and then we have one space on something like that. We'll take it on the
3 minute. She got 3 minutes. I'm coming into the 3 minute. Yes. That's cool.
yeah.
24.
Right like that, though. I'm available for it.
15,900 close. 1040.
I had the bench press. Or chose the bench press.
I hear you, brother. I hear you. I got I thought about it, but something's telling me that even if I'm taking demos and I'm not trading my trade that I'm supposed to be trading, it's going against me. So I'm gonna ride this shit out and do only that, and I'm just gonna leave it at this three candles, bro. I'm not even if I've seen some fucking shit where even intermediate term low fucking goddamn confirmation shit. I'm gonna lay off that shit as well, and I'm gonna see how far this one fucking strategy gets. I'm not gonna even fucking entertain the fucking ego with whatever the fuck you want to do on fucking any other trade. I'm that's just what it's telling me to do because I wanted to take the shit out to 7:30 if it get back there, but I'm not gonna do it because I'm in control of this motherfucking body. And I said I'm gonna stick to one thing. If it's on demo or whether it's fucking live, whatever the fuck it is, I'm trading it on. It's only gonna be one fucking thing. And the more I vote for the man that I'm trying to be, the more that it'll fucking give it to me. So that's what I'm gonna do. I mean, you'll regulate your nervous system how you come to it, man. You'll see how the shit plays out. You'll see how it plays out. That's just that shit fucking goddamn talking my ass after doing the fucking ego fucking shit. Goddamn fucking letting him fucking trade a demo. I ain't even let him trade demo no more, bro. Fuck him. Fuck him. Not on these charts. I don't even want to let him play on these charts. He can't even have no input on these fucking charts, bro. He can have input somewhere else in my life, but he on these charts. Nah, he can't have no input on these motherfuckers. Whether I'm playing around or whether I'm goddamn being serious around on this motherfucker. Fuck him. I got potentiality on the 1 minute. Dali is not at my airplane diver bomb mode fucking trajectory, but the potentiality of this next candle fucking going and blowing through. If this closes with a swing high, of course, on NQ. NQ has a swing high on the line right now. So, and we have equal highs being generated. Hopefully it does not close above this high at 1048, and the next one blows through it. The next one blows through these two equal highs at 1048 and 1041. That is a high probability trade. I'm talking about like to the fucking highest. So I'm going ahead to the fucking 1 minute, and I'm about to map this motherfucker out right now. Where's my fucking PSP at? If this is it. So right now the PSP would be at 1048 if this blows through. We already have a gap down, and that's no good right there. So it looks like it's going to be off the table unless this candle closes green. If this candle closes green and goes all the way back up and closes green, then it's going to keep going. But it's still low right now. I don't think it's going to happen. But they almost gave it to it. They almost gave it to me, bro. It is what it is. Wait for the second macro, another, what is that, another maybe 25 minutes, and that's a wrap, bro. 10:50, 11, 11:10, like 20 something minutes, whatever. But yeah. Anyway, let me go ahead and write in my system, my shit right now. 8:24. I followed all parameters today. No fucking demo trades, even though I wanted to fucking goddamn hit this fucking button. I control my fucking tempo. I control my fucking tempo. Always. It does not tell me what it wants to do. I tell it what I am going to do. I control my fucking tempo. In all aspects. I never let my body override my mind. It's kind of like that shit you do. What's that?
51 is a brown liquid gray.
No. I don't think so. Is it? It may be. It seems like it is. I know 53 is. I know 53 is. But I'm gonna pull up Google, see what it says, bro. Because honestly, right now, it's kind of like with the strategy, you know what I'm saying? Really, prime numbers are really off the fucking table, bro. Honestly, I ain't gonna be serious bullshit you. Because we've seen him run, seen it run without him.
I have also seen him come back and get him.
Yeah, I mean, I told you that. I mean, we know they come back and get him. They can run initially without him, or you can just wait completely for him to come back and take him out and then get in the trade. I mean, that's a choice. Either way, both of them are valid based on your setup. You know what I'm saying? Whether you wait for the prime number or whether you get in off the initial one that they give you. So look what's happening right now though on NQ. What do you see? It ain't finished yet, but if this bitch is closed below, then we got entry pattern to the bottom side. You see it? Okay. If it closes below, that's if.
7, 6.
Just dead. Okay. Off the table. You know what I'm saying? And just like that narrative, keep on moving. We can move to the next narrative. It's what it is. So roll on. We still got these minutes left in this macro. Then shit. I don't want my bait. Like you sent me that Instagram link, bro. All that stuff that you sending me, bro. Really read what you sending me, bro. Really read what you sending me. Don't just send me something just because it sounds good. Really read that shit, bro. That shit was fucking.
That shit that I showed you, I was like I had started reading it, and then I wanted to finish reading the rest of it, but I didn't want to read it.
Yeah, what it is. I mean, it talks about procrastination and epigenetics. This is information I done crossed epigenetics a long time ago. There ain't nothing destined in your life. Your life is based on the decisions that you make in the present moment. That's it. That's all. There is nothing matter. Even if your father was an alcoholic, that doesn't mean you're prone to be a fucking alcoholic. You make the choice to be an alcoholic. It's a decision that you make. Everything is a decision. Oh, my family had, cancer runs in our family. No, dumbass. Your decisions make your body fucking come to the same fucking conclusion as your fucking history family. When you make the same decisions that they fucking make. If you make different decisions, you'll get a different outcome. Motherfucker, you're not predestined to have a fucking certain genetic expression, bro. People use that excuse to be fucking goddamn fucking making bad decisions. Oh, well, that's just how our family was. Or in my family, it runs in our family. I don't hear that fucking stupid ass shit. That means Anytime I've ever heard that, well, now that means you fucking stupid. You don't really understand how the human body works. Motherfuckers don't care how the body works, bro. There's no reason to even fucking really talk about it. They don't care how their fucking body works. They have no liking. All they like is the world. They want to be in the world, of the world, all about the world. There ain't nothing about the spirit that they're trying to fucking goddamn feed. All they care about is things on the outside of them. Their body means nothing to them. They wake up every day and do the same fucking shit and fucking tear that motherfucker down and then expect the world to give them everything. They fucking, now, don't get me wrong, you can still get everything, but you still got to suffer the consequences of your fucking actions that you make with your fucking temple, regardless. You can be rich as fuck and eat motherfucking goddamn steak and eggs every day. I mean, how the fuck? But that doesn't fucking exempt you from getting fucking cancer from eating processed foods. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter. You can be rich as fuck, but if you're in a fucking wheelchair and ain't enjoying this shit all the way out on your journey, shit, that shit don't mean nothing. That's a choice to go out like that. You know what I'm saying? There's plenty of people who just fucking go and they fucking sleep. But I was walking yesterday, you know what I'm saying? That's probably the best way to go. Shit. Oh, he just ran 5 miles yesterday. What happened overnight? Shit. He was walking all the way out till his journey was over, healthy as fuck. Whether his consciousness shut off or not, or whatever the case may be. I mean, whatever. But anyway. And you got a 3-candle pattern with that, which ain't fucking goddamn all the same color right now. And that's important to take note of because you may want to use them at some point based on how they interact and how they do it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't saying that they don't work, bro. They work a lot. They work a real lot, bro. But I mean, but the highest efficiency is all the same color. So they still ain't giving nothing, bro. You said they just sitting on this fucking line. Yeah, it's Monday. That's it. That's all. Ain't no need to fucking rush nothing. I ain't in a hurry to get nothing because all it's gonna take is fucking one. Never override.
Happy birthday.
Oh, I appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Just said happy birthday too.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Never.
He said thank you. Appreciate it.
Never override my mind with what my body wants. My mind stays in control. I say what? You have to find some data on it, brother. That's all I can tell you. All right. We got another 17 minutes and that's a wrap, bro. I'm not even gonna wait till fucking 10:30, none of that shit. I'm offline after that if they ain't showing it. So it is what it is. I am looking at the 30-second though. Currently. No, I'm not going down there. Yeah, I'm positive. I'm not going down there. Right now, the 30-second is on the line going down, all to the downside. It is what it is. If they give 3 candles, I'll fucking trade it. But it is not. It is what it is. ES is coming into it from the top side currently. Let's see how they want to react. Again, I got it up on the screen, so it's just coming into it, creating a swing low on the line on ES. Let's see if they want to give us all 3 of them. If they give us all 3 of them, I will pull it off the 30-second, bro, without hesitation. Mm-hmm. Now we got two of them. We got NQ and ES creating a swing low on the line. Both red candles, of course. That's cool. That's what we need to see. I need not below the swing low. ES just made the same equal low to it, so it is off the table as of right now. But I only need one asset to close as red. That would be helpful, and then we would need one more candle to fall through. Let's see if NQ wants to give it to us real quick. Okay, NQ closed red on that second candle. Let's see if they want to make this fucking third candle fall through. If they make this third candle fall through, we got fucking action. All we gotta do is find a PSP. So let's see if they want to bullshit around like they did last time with us and skimp out on us. If they don't, it's a go. We are currently still in the macro. Fall that bitch through the bottom, bro. Come on, bro. Ah, you fucking pussies. They skipped out on us again. There's four candles now. And they're taking it through the fourth candle. So I don't even want to add. I ain't even looking at the four candles no more. I'll kiss my ass. I'm waiting for three. That's just what it is. That's just what it is, bro. So 15 minutes left in the macro. 15 minutes left in the macro, bro. That's a wrap. Go back to the 1 minute. 1 minute has nothing. Oh shit, 1 minute got the fucking setup, bro. Why you ain't say something?
I was watching yours first.
Shit, that shit right there counts, dude. 10:58.
Yeah.
You see it? Okay.
That counts.
Absolutely. We coming from the line, bro. Fuck that. So where's my PSP at? 58. What? On YM? No, I got 57, bro. What are you talking about? Let me see. Let me see. 58. 58 on YM. Yep, absolutely. I see you, bro. I see you. 58 on YM. I'm about to mark that out right now. 58. All assets. Let's see if they want to fill it. $58. Marked out. See if they want to keep fucking going. See if they want to keep fucking going. 58. And that'll be it for today, bro. Let's see if they want to say this strategy is the shit today. Let's see if they want to make this solidify that we know what the fuck we're looking for. Let's see. Let's see. 58. 58 has been marked out on every asset right now. So now I'm just waiting. And I think we'll have action. We got plenty of time to get back up there. All right. 1 minute. Come on back up, bro. Come on back up. I don't buy it. I don't buy it at all. What y'all gonna do? Y'all can go ahead all y'all fucking want to. You know something? It may not do it, bro. And I'm gonna tell you why. Okay. Do you see the 11 a.m. candle?
Yeah.
All right. So whenever you get this sequence and the third candle has a big wick and it pre-sweeps the PSP and closes red at the same time, it's usually a continuation. So the entry probably would have been on the closure of the 11 a.m. candle, which is cool, but it's something to take note of. But it's kind of like it kind of like acts like a fucking vacuum or some kind of suction when it fucking goes above the PSP and drops down completely below the swing low. You see what I'm saying? It's just something to be aware of. Like if you see it. Now I ain't saying it can't come back up and tap the PSP, but when you see that a lot, you're gonna be like, oh shit. You may wait for it. You may catch it on the entry just for a continuation and just put your stop right above the PSP high or the high at 11. You know what I'm saying? You may take something like that, and it still would probably be valid even if it came back up and hit the PSP.
Well, I mean, you could test it with a top stop.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, just to be aware that it goes back up and the swing low and closes red at the same time and leaves a fair value gap. So let's see how this plays out. That'll be good for your memory bank, that's for sure. I've definitely seen it 100 times. I'm particularly not gonna trade it. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you, bro. I'd rather wait for the other one. But it's good to see how this shit fucking goddamn reacts. So um, especially if it keeps going, you'll be like, oh, that's eye opening. If it does, but I'm expecting it to come back because I want it to come back. And if it comes back and gives me a gap up and the closure below any volume imbalance, then I'm in. We're still in the macro. We got another 10 minutes left in this macro. Another 10 minutes left in this macro. So that's cool. What low?
The low, the PS, the abnormally large weight closest below the PSP or what?
No, I'm talking about the low that's on the line for the EMA, which is a 1058. So 1058 is our low in our sequence, 3 red candles. But the 11 o'clock went up and swept the actual PSP that would have been and closed below at the same time. Huh? Yeah, if you look at the pic,
Immediate rebalance.
yes, immediate rebalance. That's exactly what it is. My other buddy that I used to listen to on YouTube, he calls it a pack runner. So it goes and grabs the rest of the pack of wolves and continues in the direction that it goes. It's about to go in. He calls it a pack run. I don't know where he got that terminology from, but it makes sense. They go grab the pack of orders, and they continue with their own little fucking run down or run up, whatever they're doing. Let's see if that shit holds where it is though.
What I'm gonna call it?
Ah,
Alpha.
you what?
I'll call it alpha.
Okay, however you feel, brother. I hate to add on things to your memory bank. I mean, I just want you to be familiar, just to at least see things, bro. I mean, you may come up with something later with it. You know what I'm saying? I'm definitely not going to trade it at all. Not at this point in time, right now. If we're talking about something later down the line, I may, but as right now, nah, bro. It's good to see though, especially if it keeps falling, you'll understand why and what it does. Because I've seen the bitch fall from here just without coming back up there, doing what it just did. So that'd be cool to see. Dally, I want to get in this fucking trade. I really want them to come back up this motherfucker, but if they don't, it's definitely something to take note of. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, because that's a huge candle in itself. A huge candle. 11 a.m. is a very big candle in and by itself. The wick at the top is almost.
The 11 and 3 candle.
Do what?
11 and 3 candle. That's the value gap.
Yeah. You could have used that as an entry if you're familiar with the signature. Absolutely. That's that institutional entry order flow shit ICT be talking about. Let's see what they want to do, bro.
That was so it's top is fucking stop loss never ever fucking low.
Yeah, depending on where you're trying to put it at. You probably put it at the top of the fair value gap, no more than the top of the somewhere inside that wick up there is 11, somewhere in there, whatever that may be. I mean, I just don't want to use that shit, man. I just rather have that gap up, knowing that my shit is not about to go back to the high after my gap up and leave it at that. Yeah, that's the most easiest thing for me right now, bro.
Same here. That's shit. I'll just take notes on it.
Yeah.
I'll
Yeah.
just take notes on it and move on. And eventually, in 100 days, whenever I need to, 30 days, whenever I do a note review, I can go back and I can pay attention to what I'm doing.
Yeah. I think they might want to continue down. They might want to leave at 7:30 and come back and get that tomorrow or Wednesday or something, bro. Let's see what these motherfuckers want to do. If they come back and get this motherfucker right now, bro, I'm waiting for that gap. The gap up is putting me in the trade, bro. For the sale. Let's see if they come back up there. Yeah, that's the system. That's the system. Yeah, that's the system. So yeah, absolutely.
The only thing we're doing right now is trying to find ways to stay out of this.
So what would invalidate this trade?
Everybody plays.
Absolutely. I just want to make sure you know.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, I'm just want to make sure it's logged into your nervous system, brother. So, and what would be excellent right now if NQ was the one that did the sweeping, that would be excellent right now. That's what we really want. We'd rather NQ sweep on all the trades that we're in because we. It's on you, bro. It's on you. It's on you. You told yourself you was gonna do.
I'll have a clear stop loss.
Hey, shit. That's what you told yourself you gonna do. That's what you told you. You can switch it up all you want to. Your nervous system don't know what you want. Go ahead. What you got?
Leave to go
Get him.
run by the bank and get the money to
Oh,
pay for
the
this,
70.
and then
Yeah.
get him so I can do the cash.
Yeah, they like cash. They fucking drug dealers. Mhm. Absolutely. Safe travels.
I'll see you later.
Mm-hmm. What are y'all gonna fucking do, bro? What are y'all gonna fucking do? I don't fucking goddamn believe it. I do know they got an S&T between 1103 and 1112. That's cool. But you didn't give me my motherfucking entry, so it don't fucking matter. Anyway. Mm-hmm. Fall on down, go on.
Between the what candles? 1103 and 1112?
Mm-hmm.
1113?
Is that 1113? What is it? 1113, yeah. Mm-hmm. 1103 and 1113. Not that it really means anything based on what we're doing, but I'm just taking note of it.
Which assets?
Q and ES. Shit, and fucking YM. YM failed to sweep that 1103 candle too. So, and it gapped up, swept the high, and made two red candles going down below the swing low. That bitch about to fall, and it's probably creating an inside bar right now. That's funny as hell. Let's see if they want to create that shit and fucking fall that bitch from right here. Oh Yeah, they about to make that big fall probably.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. Let's see if they want to make that big fall from here, bro.
Furnace is going up in some second.
I don't know. It looks kind of fucking suspicious. I still want that fucking high.
It's a bull flag.
Yeah, it is a bull flag. They're gonna have to come back and tap that PSP for me to do anything. I don't give a fuck what they talking about, bro. They can paint all the fucking goddamn candles they want. But shit, if they ain't talking about this PSP, then they ain't talking about shit. They ain't talking about shit. Mm-hmm. That's cool. Shit, they created another fucking inside bar with a green candle as well. Shit. Oh, now y'all getting out of pocket. All right, there you go. Let's see. We followed the fuck out of that strategy today, boy. That's what I'm talking about. Proud as fuck of you, Ro. You did exactly what you was supposed to do. You did exactly what you said you was gonna fucking do. That's what we voting for. We voting for that man that you said you was fucking goddamn gonna be. I know he proud of you. He looking at you right now saying that's what we supposed to do, bro. We're gonna keep voting for his ass by every fucking action that we take and every inaction that we take. Absolutely. As soon as this macro over, I'm about to go fucking put in some fucking work somewhere and goddamn be proud as fuck of myself all fucking day long. And that's all I'm gonna say all day long in my motherfucking mind. I ain't about to think about nothing motherfucking else about how great I am on the fucking chart and how I follow my rules every time I get on the fucking charts. That's it. There ain't no other thoughts that allow to come in my motherfucking brain. You get to choose the motherfuckers, bro. And the more you choose the right ones, thank you what?
I just want EQ to take you know.
And we wrong, that shit can happen at like 10:30 now. Don't get it twisted now. I've seen that bitch tap into that motherfucker at like 10:29 and fucking do what it's supposed to do. I'll wait to 10:29, bro. Anything past that is a wrap for me. I ain't no more macros. Ain't no 12 o'clock. Ain't no fuck. I'm done. I'm gone. Computer's going off. I ain't going back to find out how I could get into a trade. No nothing. There ain't no need to look at it unless there's a red candles on the screen, consecutive, or green candles consecutive on the screen going through a line. So ain't no need. I mean, that's just me though, huh? Yeah, my studying days are pretty much over. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, I ain't saying I got it together, but for like the entry and all that shit, man, I ain't studying nothing else on that shit. I might fucking play with the EMAs and see what does what around certain shit sometimes, but for us getting in the market, nah, bro, there ain't no better way to get into the market. Shit. Not in my opinion, anyway. I'm pretty sure somebody else would say something different, but
Considering every trade that we have taken with this system has panned out, there's really no reason to try anything else. I mean, human error, of course, but like.
let's see how they want to play it. I'll give them time. I've seen it tap back into it at 11:23 or 23 or 29. I mean, whatever it can be. And they might be fucking running the fucking SMT on the bottom, but after that, it's a wrap for me, bro. I ain't fucking with these motherfuckers, bro. I'm looking at the ES about to sweep the fucking goddamn fucking lows at 9:45. They're running into it, goddamn, like they on crack right now. So, I do hope it fucking falls though. I want you to see how that motherfucking goddamn fucking 11 o'clock candle works. That'd be cool. Much as I would like to get in that trade, I would love for you to see what I've seen 100 times based on that fucking kind of candle. I ain't saying it's 100%, but that drag down, I swear it's like it acts as a suction cup and pulls fucking price down when it fucking does that shit. So, but if it does, you'll see it. If it doesn't, then it is what it is. But whatever. Straight vacuum. That's what that shit acts as, bro. If you ever see that and come up,
The candle wick accelerated quickly too.
what are you talking about? The 11 one?
Yeah.
Yeah. And follow through and level fair value gap, bro. Shit, man. Bro, that shit, that's a lot. That's a lot, bro. That's a lot. I'm not gonna. The wick is damn near bigger than the body. Look at that. Almost. But yeah, don't get me wrong. I will still take this trade if they go back up to that PSP. Fuck, goddamn, you go back up to that bitch you want to, bro.
Jesus Christ, the wick that they just fucking crammed. I took notes and it just. I wonder if they use that for electric. Price up.
Let's see, bro. Let's see what y'all motherfuckers want to do.
It's going up.
Come on, baby. $11.29 is the candle. $11.29 is going to be the candle. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait for that 11.29 candle. No more than 11.31. 11.29 or 11.31. That's it. That's a wrap. And I'm offline. That's when the gap up is going to happen. If it goes back up there, it'll be at those 2 times. Let's see if they want to give it. Let's see if they want to give that motherfucker. 11. Mm-hmm. If you see it have 11.29 or 11.31, bro, anything that you're trying to come up with on narrative, you should automatically delete that shit if I call that shit on 11.29 or 11.31. You shouldn't even be thinking about any other narrative, bro. Based on the gap up. I'm talking about specifically the gap up. It can go up there right now, but I'm talking about the gap up that gets us in the trade is going to happen on 11.29 or 11.31 if this is the right one. And you're coming back into the line. So let's be aware of that as well. Let's not pretend that is not happening. Let's not overlook that. Okay, cool. That's cool. I would love to see it blow through that bitch. Yeah, absolutely. Yes, absolutely. I would like to see that bitch even sweep those equal highs up there at 1041 and 1048 and 1050 and 1057. And then give us that gap up at 1129 or 1131. And NQ and ES and YM. YM is getting close to it. ES is all right, but it ain't close. It ain't that goddamn close. So 1125, that's cool. That's cool. I can deal with that. Let's do it, bro. Because you got to think the 11:30 candle marks our next cycle, our next 90-minute cycle. So the high of the previous cycle was there. That was at 10 o'clock. So those are the only highs at 10 o'clock right there if they fucking decide to run it.
We got a gap up.
Do you? Nah. Yeah, I do see that. I do see that. Yeah, I wouldn't fucking, I can't take that bitch, bro. I'm specifically looking for a closure above the PSP when this happens. I gotta have a closure above it. Yeah, the wick can serve, bro. But I just don't want just the wick, bro. I want that fucking closure, dude. I want the closure is fucking like real bomb, like the real deal Holyfield. Now I ain't saying it can't work. Yeah, you get a closure below that damn FVG right there. It might fall, but you still got to think that prime that is not a prime number at 1125. You're just looking at you're skipping the fact. There's certain elements that you're skipping right now that I'm not willing to skip. Especially 1125. I want the prime number to be on the high, bro. If it's going to be on high, I'm not taking anything that's definitely not prime number high. Even if it goes, it is what it is, bro. I'm cool with that. Yeah, shit. But you got your gap up and you're close below that gap. So I mean, if you that confident, go ahead and pull the trigger on it, bro. It could very well work. You seen it work the other day when you got into the trade. And you're getting the fucking on the lower side. If it goes fall through on a red, then you really got something. But I don't see that happening, bro. I really don't see it happening. I gotta have a prime number on the high, and you're gonna have to understand that you're gonna have to fucking pick whether you want a prime number on the high or you're gonna trade any gap up. You can't have both because it's gonna. Well, you can, but it's gonna fuck you up. I promise you. It's gonna fuck you over. Because had you gotten that, you probably would have been stopped out already, depending on where you would have put your high at. But whatever. 28 could be considered a prime number as well. This would be a closure blow. If I get a gap up here, then we may have something. I would love to see it close above all those highs. Definitely. I mean, like wick above all those highs to the left at 1142. Now that counts. I don't have a gap up though. There you go. ES is going above. YM is going above as well. So what do you do? What do you do, bro? But we don't. They haven't closed yet. Now let's just not overlook that they haven't closed. Now closures are important, bro. It's not where it went above. It's swept high. No, closures are very important. If everybody closes above, we're going up. Yeah, we're going up if it all close above, and then 730 is the target. If they all close above, 730 is the target on NQ. So 730 is the target on NQ. Let's see what the closure is. We got a sweep of the previous cycle highs on NQ. Okay. ES did not close above. We got a gap up on NQ. We got a closure above on YM. Now 1129 is a candle. Let's see what they're gonna do, bro. Let's see what they're gonna fucking do. What y'all gonna do? Got a gap up. Y'all ain't close that bitch down up under that bitch, though. Come on. What y'all gonna do, bro? Y'all gonna go tap that 730? I would expect y'all to set that 730. Y'all not gonna leave that shit like that, man. I've been looking at y'all all morning. Been calling that shit out. Now you got an inside bar on the prime number. on the fucking highs. Yeah, they about to go up. ES just closed above. So, and YM just closed above as well. So, but that's cool. Yeah, my definitely the next target would be the 7:30. So I'm offline. Let me go and fucking log out of this. Hey, y'all have a good day. They didn't show us the setup during regular working hours of the market. So there is no trade for today. And I'm super proud of that because I didn't take anything unnecessary. I didn't gamble. I didn't do anything. And we're gonna follow this fucking strategy all week long. And we're not gonna miss a fucking beat. So with that being said, you guys have a fantabulous motherfucking goddamn day. And yeah, Jesus will. Yeah, that's all I got. Peace, bro.